Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today we will come up with a very important topic, which is VLOOKUP function. And as we all know that VLOOKUP plays a very important role when we talk about Excel, and there's a complicated formula or there's a different thing which every Excel user has to face when we talk about VLOOKUP. So I just made a very simple video in which I just use a very simple technique to use VLOOKUP function and how can we use VLOOKUP to get the concerned value or the value which we want. So here you can see the example. In this example I just made the name of the students, in which Mark, Harry, Christopher and so on, as well as I just made the registration number, which includes 1001, 1002, 1003 and so on, and the last I just wrote the randomly numbers. And here you can see the student name and the status. In this status we will just put our VLOOKUP function and check what can we get with the help of VLOOKUP function. So to start our VLOOKUP function, we'll just click on the cell in which we want the VLOOKUP function, and here you can see the fx function, in which you can see the insert function. You have to just click on it and another bar will appear in the bar. Here you can see the VLOOKUP function, or if the VLOOKUP function not appear, you can search here for VLOOKUP. Like if I just type here VLOOKUP and go for it, so it gives me the VLOOKUP, LLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and if so I just want the VLOOKUP, so I just click on it, and here you can see a different box appears. So what the box will do, and here you can see the lookup value in table array, column index, and the range lookup, which is logical lookup. So what we have to do, we have to first write in this cell the address of the cell in which we want to look up the value. Like if I want to write the name of the students, so it will give me the data. So in which column I just write the name of student, I write the name of the student in this column. So just click on it, and here you can see it select the reference cell in which lookup value. Now it says table array, so I just want the data from this table array. So my second table array is also completed. Here you can see the student names, registration number and marks. It starts from here. Now it says column number, which means which columns data you want. So I want the data of the registration number, so I just need to get the data of the column number 2 as per the array. So I just want the column number 2, so I just put here 2. And for logical I want the exact value, so I just write here 0 for logical value. Now you have to just click on it, and it says nothing available because we have wrote nothing here. So first I just write here Mark, and here you can see it gives you the registration number of Mark, which is 1001. If I just want to know the registration number of Steve, which is 1005, so you just have to write here Steve, and it gives you the registration number of Steve. And for suppose if you want the marks of the students, so what you can do, you can either type here, or you can either click on the insert function, so the box will again appear and the data is also inserted here. So I want the name of the students as well as I want the marks of the students, not the registration number. So what you have to do, you have to just change the column number. So the column number 2, and after that 2, which is 3, and I want the name of the students, and after that I want the marks. So I just need to change the column number from 2 to 3, and here you can see it gives you the marks, which is reflecting here. Like suppose if I just choose the Steve, so Steve's marks here is 81, and here you can see it reflecting it 81. So you have to just click on it. Here you can see it gives you the marks, and if I just write here Mark, so it gives me the marks of the Mark. And if I just write here Harry, so it gives me the marks of the Harry. And if I just write here, or if I want to know the marks of John, so what you have to do, you have to just write here John. And for suppose if I just want the name of the students who is not here, for suppose if I just write here Tom, so it says nothing available because the name of the term is not written in the list, this is how it shows you the error, or it says nothing available or not available error. Now if I just write here the name of the students, which is James, so here you can see it gives you the marks of the James. And if I just again want the registration number, so what you have to go here and you have to just click on insert function. Here you can see the name of the James, and we want the column number 3, and the column number 3 result gives you 75. If I want the James registration number, so you can also change here. If I want to, registration number is from in the column number 2, and here you can see the James, which is here, and its column number 2, which is here, and James column number 2 will reflect 1004, and you can see here James column number 2 reflecting 1004. This is how you can get the results, and this is how you can use VLOOKUP function. If you face any complications while writing the VLOOKUP formula, you can also use your insert function to get the VLOOKUP function. And this is how I completed my video. If you liked the video, please share and subscribe it, and if you face any confusion regarding the VLOOKUP, I already made different videos on the VLOOKUP. If you want that further videos on the VLOOKUP, you can write in our comment section. We will surely make a video for you. Thank you so much for watching our video.